Hello and welcome to this very special cooking episode where today we will be making a parmo. So to make a parmo you will need the following ingredients. Let's begin. Chicken, butter, butter, flour, butter, cheese, bang, milk, and the screwdriver. Scratch that. That's better. Let's begin. First stage is to add 5 tablespoons of butter into the pan on a low heat. It will come eventually. It's quite resistant. That's not coming off. Next step. Now we add 4 tablespoons of flour to the buttery mixture that has been formed and stir until smooth. Oh, it's heating up, it just burned my fingers, be careful. 3, 4. Next step. Now we need to add 1 3/4 pints of milk to a separate saucepan until it is just about to boil, and then stop it. Let's do this. Ooh, that looks nice. So now that the milk has boiled, we need to gradually start adding it to the mixture. So we gradually add, that isn't gradually, but we can handle it. Continuously stir whilst gradually adding the mix to make the sauce for the parmo. By the look of it, there is going to be a lot of sauce, so it is going to be a big parmo. Unfortunately, my other half of my stunt team is not here to help me, as he is currently north. We're cooking on gas. We have an electric oven. Okay. Now we have to stir for 10 consecutive minutes whilst the sauce cooks, and then we don't need to worry about the sauce anymore. Next step. Now we season with 2 teaspoons of salt or 1 tablespoon. This parmo is really coming along now. Next we need to take a piece of greaseproof paper, soak it in cold water, open it out, smooth it out roughly, and then add to the sauce top so it's level on top of the sauce. You can feel because there will be residual heat on your fingertips. Ooh, that looks nice. Next, beat an egg. Beat an egg into a container. Now the egg is thoroughly beaten. Next step. Now we need to cover each piece of chicken with a bit of egg, and then we need to coat it in breadcrumbs for the ultimate in divine flavours. We're cooking on gas. We have an electric oven, okay. Next we need to deep fry the chicken. Good luck. Deep fry until it is a golden brown colour, not golden brown. Don't you think it's looking lovely? I agree, it is looking lovely. Now we need to put over the bechamel sauce over the chicken. Ooh, that looks nice. Next we need to add cheese and put on a medium grill for 10 minutes. Bosh! This parmo is really coming along now. Voila! Now you can make your own parmos thanks to the help of this tutorial video. Enjoy your parmos! Goodbye!